Do you believe in maintenance?
Why do I need that?
We believe in
do I need
advising
that?
it.
Why do I need that?
We're gonna watch pull some spark plugs out of a Honda for an oil change and do some maintenance work today.
I don't even know what size they are.
You even know how many miles are on this car? How much oil? Do you know how much oil's in it?
I haven't even checked that yet. I'm just starting with something I know.
You're using the weakest gun in my arsenal.
Yeah. I don't want to break this shit.
At one time, that was top of the line.
This is perfect for. There you go. There's cylinder 4 spark plug. That looks real healthy for 58,000 miles.
No, that doesn't look good.
That was sarcasm.
This is what you get for Honda nowadays. 58,000 miles.
Yep.
I'd say she's burning a little oil.
I have to agree. Now we're gonna put the dipstick in soon. We're gonna. What's going on here? Here we go.
Yes, she is.
Soft. Nice little.
What do you think this motor is going to be like when it hits 100,000? It's going to be basically
Trash.
shot.
Trash.
Ah, is it overdue for an oil change?
Yeah, I had the maintenance light on.
Ah,
So.
no sticker.
No sticker,
Following the maintenance light.
on.
Engine's burning.
Well,
Has signs
in
of
one
burning
bay-
oil
in one
already.
bay, the Davis Honda sticker doesn't say a mileage. It just says when it hits 15%.
Yeah,
You telling me that's 3,000 miles?
I don't know what that is.
Well, that's what we were instructed upon. That every 3,000 miles, she gets an oil change. The owner of the vehicle gets an oil change.
Yeah, well, if they wrote it.
15%.
Oh, so if they wrote it for 5 and said return at 15%.
Yeah, return
possible.
at 15%. You're telling me that is the PCM data and the screen in the Honda is giving you 5,000 miles?
Yeah, I don't
No,
know about that.
Not a shot.
What year is this thing?
I don't know. Hold on.
Turbocharged Honda. Just under 60K, burning oil.
2019.
2019 Honda CR-V.